Easter, and we got the Kessel sisters here. Come over here, sis.
Well, I got this great big bowl.
We're picking out our, what's it called? Silverware? No.
Dishes.
Dishes for our dinner, ham dinner to do. We're doing a spiral sliced ham.
Green bean casserole, mashed, and potato salad.
Yep. And look at this beautiful tray for deviled eggs.
Yay!
Ain't it cute?
So we're having our family dinner.
So we've got all of our canned stuff over there for the green beans, cutting up potatoes because we're going to make our potato salad first. She's got the water boiling to do our eggs. And we're going to have a good dinner tonight.
Yeah. And the Easter basket's behind her ready for the kids.
Yep.
Yay!
Celebrating Easter
A little bit early.
in Florida.
And there's who really runs the house right there. Rosie.
Oh, Rosie out there? After 65 years, I didn't know my sister and I both like black jelly beans.
We're 3 bags.
Nobody ever likes black jelly beans, but I do.
That's
and
what
she does.
And that's why they don't end up in the multicolor.
And you got the color ones too. Yeah. Who knew?
Happy Easter!
Look at our masterpiece potato salad, which was only supposed to be a small bowl. It's not a small bowl. It's gorgeous. Rosie, you couldn't get no lazier. She's just laying here. All you do is sleep. Look at the flowers my sister's got coming in. So what are these kind?
Okay, those are morning glories.
Morning glories. And these are all planted from seeds.
All of this was.
And what are these?
Those were morning glories.
Morning glories.
In the container is Sweet Williams.
Sweet Williams are coming up in here.
And then on the other end were forget-me-nots.
And
Those
then
there in front of you, those are 4 o'clocks.
4
And
o'clocks.
In the middle on the Mickey head, that is carnations and I'm not sure what. These here are bachelor buttons. No, I think bachelor buttons are here. That is a mix of wildflowers and I don't know what in there. This here is zinnias, I believe.
She paints all her rocks.
And then you've got vincas here. These are wildflowers. This here, snapdragons are in here. Bachelor's buttons, marigolds, elephant ears are in here.
She planted a whole bunch of stuff from seeds. And she paints all her rocks and seashells. She's got rose bushes. So pretty. Good job, sis. Good job. A little Mickey bird bath. And the deer, because everybody knows when we see deer, we think of Dad. Look at her roses blooming. Pink and red. This one's got tons of blooms on it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's about a dozen getting ready on here. Gonna be so pretty. Looks so nice. Giving them all a squirt of water. She's got her golf court. Rosie's just sitting here, being lazy. My sister is the queen of crafts. She made this to look like flower and garden. She paints her pine cones, and then she makes these scenes. She's just so clever and so talented. And she crochets angels. She's got all her little angels. Look at this amazing veggie tray Dana made. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, look at that. Was a lot of work.
Oh, I gotta send a picture to Kristen and say, okay, You and Scott gotta up your game.
Working.
We got some rolls,
Alright.
Sharon's deviled eggs, Spanish cheese and gravy, green bean casserole, potato salad, ham. We are in it. A good old-fashioned Florida rain. A nice, steady, good one. Look at all the flowers. It'll come down hard a little bit, though. Water all of Sharon's little flowers she put in there. The wind kind of died down when the rain started. Best ice cream, Spring Hill, Florida. Papa Clyde's. Came to get ice cream here in, is this Brooksville or Spring Hill? Spring Hill. We're in Spring Hill, Florida now. We're at Papa Clyde's and they have pre-packed quarts. Look at all that. All down there. And then we're gonna get the menu over here. They have so many flavors. And got waffle cones, sugar cones, wafer cones, caramel with pecans, peanuts and chocolate chips, rum raisin, black cherry, chocolate paradise, butter pecan, Oreo, patriotic blast, pistachio, birthday cake, cookie dough, brownie batter, cotton candy. Oh, bubble gum. Yeah, strawberry cheesecake. Wow. Looks good. Oh my God.
That's a small.
That's a small fudge ripple for $4.74.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That's good.
This is a small waffle cone for $6.40. Sharon got the same thing I did. Apparently we both like black jelly beans and chocolate waffle cones. But yeah, that for a small, that's crazy. Gotta make sure that don't fall off there. It's an Easter tree. On our way back to Myrtle Beach, we're at the South Carolina-Georgia border in Pooler. How cute. Happy Easter.